Okay, we're on step number 39 in the construction of the Draco. We want to remove from the balsa wood sheets the two balsa wood wings. And this is called the stay wing. We're going to set that aside for right now. And from this one, we also want that wing. And from this plywood sheet, we want H1L and H2R. And we want to remove those. And also pop out these little pieces right there. We won't need those. Now we need to roughen these up. So we're going to sand these, but we're going to use rough sandpaper. We want to actually make it rougher, not so smooth, so that the wood glue has a chance to bite into it a little bit better. And these are going to get glued in here like this. And it doesn't matter which way they go. I mean, which one is right and which one's left. Once you get them glued in, they'll self-align. And these, we want to get some masking tape here. Have that ready, because we need to make sure that these are flat, and the masking tape is going to make sure that at least one edge is flat, which means the other edge will be flat. Okay, and we'll glue this in here. And actually, I want to put this masking tape down. That, make sure it's nice and flat. And we're going to stick that in there like that. Wipe off any excess glue. Yes, that looks good. We're going to remove this masking tape later, so don't worry about it. We just want to make sure that it's nice and flat. And we'll do the same to this one. Okay. All right, so we can move on. And let me double check this. Yeah, they're going to be like that. Where the engraved side will be the upper surface. Okay, then we want to remove part K from the plywood sheet, and that's these right here. There's two of those. And those are going to be glued into these slots. Here, there's one, you have to pop out the little balsa wood piece. And these aren't as critical. Put a piece of plastic down. Here's one. Alright, now we're going to take our launch lugs, and there's 2 launch lugs, and these are going to be glued in here like this. And again, this time I'll put the glue on the slot. I'm going to smear it around in there, make sure I get it all around. And you want to make sure that there's an equal amount of launch lug on each side of the wood. That means it's nice and centered. Okay, you can also put masking tape on that to keep it in place while it dries. I'll do this one, and then we'll move on to the next part after this dries. Okay. Just like that. Okay, so we're going to let this dry, and then we'll go on to step 43 in the next episode.